This is to demonstrate about the time attendance system. This system is going to take the time capture for time attendance on mobile phones, desktops, web camera, and the uh, wall-mounted devices like ZK Tico devices. Here we are talking about a more advanced solution that it will not only take and capture the time of an employee, it will also allocate this time to the related job order and also make the necessary billing and charging. Also, it will measure the efficiency of the time consumed by the employee. So we have here three sources of time capture, which is mobile phones. It will capture the location and time of an employee who is working outside the premises of the company, and it will use the face authentication, the biometric of the face itself, and it is also anti-spoofing. If the employee is sitting on his desk, it will use a normal webcam, which is almost $5 cost, normal webcam, and using any PC connected to the network, it will capture his time. Also, it will take control of all ZK Tico devices, and it will capture the time and control the device completely without rebuilding the device, backup, restore, and changing all the parameters of the device. It is not a normal software using ZK Tico, but it controls in-depth, far deep controlling on the ZK Tico itself. Also, we have the anti-spoofing is a common feature of all these ways. So outdoor, at the gate, and indoors, all three sources are well controlled with the anti-spoofing. It also has the features of multi-locations. It is easy to integrate with Excel, and also it's easy to have a report about the GPS activity log of an employee. It contains the time shift, and it's also using the manpower management, force management. You can exchange messages and alerts. Also, there is an employee self-service, manager self-service, full utilization of all service for a manager who can see where are my staff, who is attending and where is he attending and what is he doing exactly right now. Also, it tells about who is absent today and why is he absent. There is something new, which is presence confirmation, that the mobile phones and the webcam devices gives regular messages to an employee on a random basis to make sure that this employee is in the premises of the company, or is he's in the normal working route if he's outside the company. Also, it has time shifts, vacations, loans, overtime, and it can also print a payroll, a due payroll sheet every month. We can get a closer picture about the cloud and mobile solution. Yes, in the market there are some solutions that uses mobile, but I believe this is the only solution available with Face ID and its authentication with one-to-N verification mode, anti-spoofing. This allows to get a location map or log along with the GPS for the employee, where is he exactly. And also there is an employee self-service on the application itself, manager self-service. This gives you an overview about the activity of the employee. Same thing here about the desk-based time attendance itself. It can assure it makes you to it assures that the employee is attending on his desk This is useful for nurses, for accountants, for clerks, for those who should stay on their desk most of the time. And if he is being called by the device 10 times randomly during the shift, and it gives analysis how many times has he replied on time and how many times he failed to reply. This is very useful with a very cheap device. Also, as we said, we can take control of all devices of ZK-TimeTech, and we can add and edit any device, make backup and restore the device. We can make synchronization between devices, and we can control time shifts and time break. We can also take a location history based on the location assigned to each device. We have bear preparation, absence and leave management, ERP and accounting integration, 360-degree reports, and a complete management dashboard. If you go again to this page, it's going to show that one database can serve the mobile, the web cam on the desktop application, and the ZK-TimeTech. Only in one database, they are all fully integrated together. So outside, inside, and at the gate. This solution has a lot of features and reports, as you see here. And also, this is the presence confirmation logic. We set it up, and we can make random calls. Then we give 10 minutes at each call, for example. Then a report's going to show that was he paying attention during his duty, or he's just absent. And this is the solution we have here. We have alerts and messaging system. These alerts, it will tell who is late coming, or who is early leaving, or is absent. We have automatic messaging if somebody is coming and who is requiring him to talk to. We have manual messages, and we have text chatting over the system. Again, we are assuring that anti-spoofing technology is reliable, even with a beard, hats, glasses, mustache, and 3D masks, and mobile photos, with the concept of 1 to n. We don't compare 1 to 1 only. No, it's 1 to many numbers of verification in the database. This is suitable for shopping malls and research and development labs and hotels, remote sites, education, government, retail, stores, factories, a lot of enterprise and activities.